Today we have a powerful lifetime deal on a tool that can create long, high quality SEO articles instantly. If you want to write blog posts, website content, or pillar articles without spending hours typing, then this tool can save you a lot of time. And because it's a lifetime deal from AppSumo, you can pay once and get the access forever, which makes it a great choice for bloggers, freelancers, and the content creators. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grab the best discounts and the deals online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the discounted offer. And you don't need to use any coupon or code because when you use the link from the description, the AppSumo discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the Wordplay. This tool is built to help you to create long, detailed SEO articles with just a few clicks. You can generate articles up to 5,000 words instantly, which usually takes hours or days if you write manually. All you have to do is enter your main keyword or your topic or choose the content style and let the Wordplay generate the full article for you. The best part is that how fast the tool works. In a few seconds, you get a complete article with an introduction, section, the subheading, explanation, and a smooth flow from the start to the finishing. This is very helpful for people who run the multiple blogs or need to publish content regularly. Instead of spending time to writing everything by hand, you can create high volume content easily and focus on the strategy or editing. Wordplay is especially strong for the SEO focused writing. It creates content that is long, structured, and keyword friendly, which helps your articles perform better on search engine. Because the articles are detailed and well organized, they work great for the niche sites, affiliate marketing blogs, and the long form guides. You can also rewrite or expand your existing content using the tool to make it more valuable. Another thing that makes Wordplay useful is the batch article feature. If you want to generate many articles at once, you can enter the multiple keywords and let the tool create a full set of articles automatically. This is perfect for the agencies, freelancers, or anyone who needs the content production at scale. It saves a lot of time and helps you to deliver faster to your clients. The dashboard is super simple, clean, and beginner friendly. You don't need to learn anything complicated. Just enter the topic, click on generate, and your article is ready. You can export your content by copying it or paste it to straight into your CMS. The tool is also support different tones, so you can choose whether you want the article to sound formal, friendly, or simple. So if you are a content writer or run a small agency, Wordplay can help you to offer long form content to your clients without spending hours to writing every piece. And because you get the lifetime deal on AppSumo, you can use the tool for many projects without worrying about monthly cost going up. So if you want to create long, detailed SEO articles instantly and save a huge amount of time in your content workflow, then Wordplay is a great tool to consider. Make sure to check the link from the description to grab the lifetime deal before it's gone. And thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.